Hello there, welcome to Rajya Sabha TV. I'm Ashwarya Kapoor with you. Here are all the updates related to coronavirus pandemic from across the world. Around the world now, more than 2.4 million cases of coronavirus have been reported and more than 1,65,000 people have died because of coronavirus. The United States continues to be the center of the COVID-19 pandemic. In that country, more than 7,65,000 people have tested positive for coronavirus. And the US death toll has now crossed the 40,000 mark. In fact, it is now nearing the 41,000 mark. Now, despite that increase in numbers, protesters have taken to streets in several states of the United States demanding that governors reopen the economies that have been shut due to coronavirus pandemic. As a result, the governors in several states have begun discussions on the plans to reopen, but there are several other regions in the United States that are under strict lockdown. And US President Donald Trump has signaled support for the protests. Meanwhile, in more news from the United States, US President Donald Trump also plans to invoke the Defense Production Act to compel an unnamed company to make 20 million swabs. Now, this comes even as the governors of various states in the United States have complained about the lack of swabs and testing facilities in the country. News from Australia now. In Australia, 3 beaches in Sydney have been reopened for public. Now this despite the fact that Australia has strict lockdown measures. Now this is coming as Australia is now reporting falling cases. So while Australia has a large amount of numbers of cases, that is 6,671 deaths have been reported, but these numbers, the new cases are decreasing. And encouraging trends are also being reported in Europe. So Italy, Spain, UK, France have all reported a drop in the daily death toll. But as far as easing of restrictions are concerned, these countries have different views. So while Italy and Spain have lifted quite a number of restrictions, France and UK are right now saying that it will take some time for them to lift the restrictions. On to some other news. News from South Korea first. South Korea has, as you all know, has been praised worldwide for its efforts to contain the spread of coronavirus. It has high number of cases. It has about 10,000 cases, but close to 8,000 people have recovered. And the country has only 236 deaths. Now South Korea therefore has successfully driven new infections to very low levels. As a result, the country is now easing restrictions. So sporting events in the country have now been allowed to kick off. For example, the country's baseball league has been allowed to resume to be played inside the stadiums, but without any audiences. And the guidelines for churches have also been relaxed, so the churches will also be allowed to open. Now, things are improving, of course, in South Korea and many other countries, but there are concerns over what is happening in some other countries of the world. For example, in Afghanistan, dozens of the members of the staff working for the Afghan presidential palace have tested positive for coronavirus. In that country, there are about 1,000 cases. And concerns are also there over what is happening in Japan, because a lot of new coronavirus cases have been reported. The country has now about 10,000 cases of coronavirus. And the doctors in that country are now warning that the country's medical system could collapse because cases are continuing to increase. And concerns are also there over what is happening in Latin America. The number of infections have now exceeded 1 lakh in Latin America, and there have been about 5,000 deaths. And in Latin America, the worst affected country is Brazil, which has the highest number of cases and fatalities. And on to news from two of our neighbors. In Pakistan, some of the restrictions have been eased on mosque congregations ahead of the Islamic holy month of Ramadan. The country has about 8,000 cases, but ahead of Ramadan, some of these mosque congregations restrictions have been eased. But at the same time, people have to adhere to the safety measures. For example, people have to maintain 2 meters distance from each other while they are praying, as opposed to the usual Muslim practice of praying shoulder to shoulder. Some other safety measures have also to be adhered to. Meanwhile, in China, the number of new cases are falling every day. Yesterday, it reported only 12 new cases, of which 8 were imported cases. And China yesterday reported 0 new death for third consecutive day. As a result, China has, of course, eased a lot of restrictions, and Beijing has now reopened 73 major tourist sites in the country. This includes several areas along the Great Wall of China as well. So those were all the updates related to coronavirus pandemic from across the world. Thanks for watching.